Hi guys, this is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and in this today's short video I would like to demonstrate how to fix the insignia ignition key. The key right now is damaged, as you see here. It is damaged, so I will try to fix it with the glue right now. So for this reason I just bought this glue, super glue, and let's see if it works. Okay, as you see, the problem is right here. We will open the glue and put it here. Okay, let's wait maybe 10 seconds for the glue. And right now we just insert the steel part of the key and a little bit of glue on this steel part. Let's wait a little bit, cover the glue, and now put this little part here on the key. Okay, and now we will wait for the glue to do its job. Now it's time to check and see if it works. So we just put some glue and now it seems okay. And now, as we see, the key, it's okay and it's ready for use. Okay guys, this is all for now. Thanks for watching, and like always, like, share and subscribe. Till the next one.